Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. What fraction of the image is unshaded? Now, if you observe the given image, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Total number of parts of the image are given as 27. But if we observe carefully, there are no shaded boxes. Therefore, total number of unshaded boxes will be 27. Of unshaded boxes is equal to 27. Therefore, the fraction that we are looking for, required fraction, is going to be equal to 27 by 27, which is not given in options. So our answer is option D, none of these.